5 easy ways to remove blackheads at home. Number 1. Honey and milk, pore stripe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a stripe of cotton. Directions: mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of milk, heat it for 5 to 10 seconds in a microwave, and mix again. Apply a thin layer over your blackheads and then gently pat a stripe of dry cotton onto it. Let dry and wait at least 20 minutes. Carefully peel the stripe away. Rinse with cold water and moisturize. Number 2. Cinnamon. Ingredients: 1 part organic cinnamon and 2 parts honey. Directions: mix 1 part organic cinnamon with 2 parts honey to form a paste and apply a thin layer over the blackheads. Wait at least 15 minutes, wash off and moisturize. Use daily for best results. Number 3. Baking soda and fresh water. Directions: mix water with baking soda and form a thick but spreadable paste. Massage your skin using a gentle circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with water and moisturize. Number 4. Oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, 4 tablespoons of tomato juice, 1 to 3 tablespoons of oatmeal, enough to make a paste. Directions: mix all and form a paste. Scrub it on your skin. Wash it off after 10 minutes. Repeat regularly for clear skin. Number 5. Egg white. Ingredients: take 1 egg, facial tissue, a small bowl, and a clean towel. Directions: apply a thin layer of egg white over your skin. Leave out the tissue and apply 3 to 5 layers of egg white, being sure to let each layer dry in between applications. If you do not let the skin layer dry, this will not work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment if you have any questions, and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.